Explanation of Article 297 of the Indian Constitution. 1. Purpose of the Article. Article 297 ensures that all valuable natural resources found in India's territorial waters, continental shelf, and exclusive economic zone, EEZ, belong to the Union Government. This provision prevents individual states from claiming control over maritime resources and allows the Union to manage them for national benefit. 2. Key provisions of Article 297. 1. Ownership of underwater resources. All lands, minerals, and valuable resources found beneath the ocean in the following maritime zones belong to the Union Government. Territorial waters. Continental shelf. Exclusive economic zone, EEZ. These resources must be used only for Union purposes, example national development, defense, and economic growth. 2. Exclusive economic zone, EEZ, resources. Apart from the seabed resources, all other natural resources found in the exclusive economic zone also belong to the Union. This includes marine life, fishing rights, oil, gas, and mineral deposits. 3. Parliament's authority over maritime limits. The boundaries of territorial waters, the continental shelf, and the EEZ are not fixed by the Constitution but can be determined and modified by Parliament through law. This allows India to adjust its maritime claims based on international laws and agreements. 3. Explanation of key terms. Territorial waters, the ocean area extending 12 nautical miles, 22.2 kilometers, from the coast, where India has full sovereignty. Continental shelf, the underwater landmass extending up to 200 nautical miles, 370.4 kilometers, or more, where India can explore and exploit mineral resources. Exclusive economic zone, EEZ, the sea zone extending 200 nautical miles from the coast, where India has special rights to exploit marine resources, example fishing, oil drilling, and mining. 4. Importance of Article 297. Ensures that maritime resources benefit the entire nation and are not controlled by individual states. Helps India regulate offshore oil and gas exploration, deep-sea mining, and fishing rights. Allows the government to protect national interests in maritime disputes with neighboring countries. Provides a legal framework for Parliament to define and modify India's maritime boundaries. 5. Summary of Article 297. All seabed lands, minerals, and valuable resources found within territorial waters, the continental shelf, and the EEZ belong to the Union Government. All other resources of the EEZ also vest in the Union Government. Parliament has the power to define and modify India's maritime limits through legislation. This article ensures centralized control over India's maritime wealth, enabling national development and security. The Constitution of India. Part 12. Finance, Property, Contracts and Suits. Chapter 3. Property, Contracts, Rights, Liabilities. Obligations and Suits. Article 297. Things of value within territorial waters or continental shelf and resources of the exclusive economic zone to west in the Union. 1. All lands, minerals and other things of value underlying the ocean within the territorial waters, or the continental shelf, or the exclusive economic zone, of India shall vest in the Union and be held for the purposes of the Union. 2. All other resources of the exclusive economic zone of India shall also vest in the Union and be held for the purposes of the Union. 3. The limits of the territorial waters, the continental shelf, the exclusive economic zone, and other maritime zones of India shall be such as may be specified, from time to time, by or under any law made by Parliament.